Prior to the ongoing recession, there were skeptics saying that Bitcoin would perform poorly in one. When the stock market crashed at the end of 2018 due to the Federal Reserve announcing it put its balance sheet on autopilot, so did BTC, tumbling from the $6,000s to $3,150. Hence, when the recession began earlier this year, some expected the worst. Yet there have been a growing number of prominent names in finance and business saying that despite the poor economic conditions, Bitcoin is poised to outperform due to its set of properties as a form of money, namely BTC's scarcity and decentralized nature. It has been hard to miss the recent tweets from Robert "Rich Dad" Kiyosaki, the Vietnam War veteran turned prominent businessman. The businessman, who is best known for his book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, has been calling out Wall Street, the government, our central banks, and other institutions every day for the past few weeks. Kiyosaki did so once again on May 24, when he noted that the Mall of America is falling behind on its $1.4 billion mortgage, raising the question, who is not getting paid? Kiyosaki believes that the slowing economy, which will be punctuated by defaults on debts like the aforementioned, will result in growth in the prices of Bitcoin, gold, and silver. As reported by NewsBTC, he postulated last week that he expects Bitcoin to hit $75,000 in the coming 3 years, while he also expects the price of gold to almost double within a year and for the price of silver to double in 5 years. Kiyosaki isn't the only prominent name in the business world that has recently recommended Bitcoin due to the ongoing macroeconomic environment. Billionaire hedge fund investor Paul Tudor Jones, for instance, this month decisively entered the Bitcoin space when he promoted the asset in a research note sent out to his clients titled "The Great Monetary Inflation." In it, he wrote that due to the leading cryptocurrency's scarcity and decentralized nature, buying Bitcoin is making much more sense than fiat currencies, which are rapidly being inflated away due to the outbreak of COVID-19. Alex Krüger, a well-respected economist, believes that Jones' support for Bitcoin is one of the most important events for this space ever.